Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the screen roller tool. So, one of the tools that you want to have that you don't use all the time, but you will use on occasion, is the screen roller tool, and that's this tool here. This is what I'm talking about. Some people might call it a spline roller, others call it a screen roller. Basically what you use this tool for is when you're dealing with the screen and there's the rubber going around the frame of the screen that holds in the screening material. Sometimes that rubber pops out some, or sometimes a corner or a portion of the screening material gets pulled out of the screen. And so whether it's because of something you did or it just was like that when you showed up on the job, you want to get this tool so that you can pull out the rubber, place the screen back down nice and flat, and then you're going to roll that rubber back into the groove there. And this is a really nice thing to have, especially if it's something that you did. You don't want to mess up the screen and then not fix it. And I can tell you, without this tool, it's very difficult to fix a screen. Like with a screwdriver or something, it's not very effective. You risk ripping the screening. And this tool is like very inexpensive. I mean, you're talking cheap, right? So it's just a tool that you definitely want to just have on hand. You can put it in your bucket of tools or wherever you're going to keep your tools. Just have it with you at all times at every window cleaning job. You know, it's also really nice if you didn't mess up the screen and it was already messed up, to go ahead and fix that for your customer as a little like going the extra mile, giving that extra bit of customer service. It's not something you need to charge for. It's only going to take you a second, and your customer is going to be thankful that you did it, and they will eventually notice that you did do that if they notice that it was messed up to begin with. They're just going to be so much happier about that, and that's just the kind of thing that's going to get you those referrals that you want to get, have them talking about you to their friends and family and neighbors. So they're just going to be like so ecstatic about it, right? So anything you can do to make your service that much better than the next guy is just going to help your business that much more. Now, if it is your fault, then of course you obviously want to be able to roll that screen back in, and you're probably thinking, well, when is that going to happen? Well, that can happen when you're washing the screens. If the screens weren't tight to begin with, sometimes it will pop the screening out and then you're going to have to fix it. So no matter what the scenario is, you're going to want this tool. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to this tool down below in the description. You can also find it on my website at windowcleaningdude.com, where you can purchase these online. They're very, very inexpensive. And then also on windowcleaningdude.com, I just want to do a shout out that you can find just about anything that I'm teaching on that website. Anything that you want to know about, especially when it comes to tools and all the equipment you're going to need. I have a whole list there for you as a beginning window cleaner with links to all the products, where to find them online. Just going to make your job that much easier getting started. Also, please leave me a thumbs up for this video if you found this tool and bit of information useful to you. Give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube video. Let YouTube know that you find this content useful, and I'd love for you to be a part of my YouTube window cleaning community. So also don't forget to hit that notification bell for any upcoming videos, and comment down below on anything that you want to talk about window cleaning related, or if you have questions about the screen roller tool. And I will see you in the next episode.